You searched how to buy shares of Dare Bioscience Inc. Dare Bioscience is a clinical stage biotech focused on women's health and reproductive therapies. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker Dare. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and you must add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DARE to find Dare Bioscience. Make sure to select the result that specifies the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to check the company overview and basic information and review the price chart. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and ticker DARE so you know it is the correct listing. Click the Buy or Invest button. Choose the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the trade may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit money before confirming. After the transaction, your new position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow the same demo, find the eToro link in the video description.